Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This week I want to share something really simple and easy with you, and that is how to make a flower bookmark. This tutorial is beginner friendly, very easy, under 10 minutes. You can make this beautiful bookmark. So to start, I'm using this acrylic yarn. My hook is 4mm, scissors and darning needle. These are the things that you need for this project. Don't forget to give my video a big thumbs up. And I'm going to start with a magic circle. And I'm going to do a chain 50. I'm going to chain 50. And I'll meet you at the end of chain 50. Now I have chain 50. So now the next step is going to be, I'm going to skip the first chain and go into the second chain. Into the second chain. I'm going into that chain and do a slip stitch. And now I'm going to continue to do a slip stitch into every stitch until I get to the magic ring. So slip stitch into every ring and I'll meet you at the hem. So this is my last chain. I'm going to do the last slip stitch. And now into the magic circle. Into the magic circle, I'm going to do chain 4. And after I chain 4, I'm going to go in and do a treble crochet. So I'm going to yarn over twice, go into the magic circle, and I'm going to do 3 triple crochet. 3 triple crochet. So I'm going to yarn over 2, and yarn over the last 2. So this is the first treble crochet. I'm going to do 2 more. I'll go back into the magic circle and do the second treble crochet until I have 3. Now this is 3 triple crochet there. I'm going to chain 4. Now I go back into the circle. And I do a slip stitch. And there we have it, the first flower petal. And if you have problem with the magic circle, expanding, you can always pull the tail just to close up the gap. Now for the second petal, we're going to start with a chain 4 and 3 treble crochet. So we're just repeating chain 4, 3 treble crochet, chain 4, slip stitch. And this is a very simple stitch. Now I have 3 triple crochet. I'm going to chain 4, and back into the circle I'm going to do a slip stitch. And now we have the second flower petal. Now we're going to do the third petal. So we're going to do a total of 4 petals. So this is going to be the third one. We'll start again with a chain 4, 3 triple crochet, chain 4, slip stitch. Very simple stitch. So now I'm going to go ahead and complete the rest of the petal. I'm at the end. Now I have 4 flower petals and I've done the last slip stitch. So I'm going to just pull the yarn from the magic circle. I'm going to pull the back tail to close up the circle. And I haven't finished off yet. So what I'm going to do is now have slip stitch. I'm going to just chain 1 and cut off this yarn and fasten off. So after you've done your last slip stitch for the 4th petal, you just chain 1 and cut off your yarn. So now the next thing to do is, or the last thing to do would be to get a darning needle to weave in the extra yarns. And I'm almost done with this bookmark. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This can be done under 10 minutes, really simple. And now I've come to the end of this tutorial. So this is how the flower petal comes out. And this is a very simple, easy crochet bookmark. So thank you for watching this video. Leave a comment in the comment section and do not forget to give my video a big thumbs up. Thank you and see you in the next one.